Welcome to Arkham. Arkham lets you trade spot pairs for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Spot trading simply means you trade the actual underlying asset, rather than speculating on the price alone, as with the perpetual pair. Find spot markets on the Arkham Exchange by clicking Markets or Trade, then Spot Trading. Then, choose the asset you would like to trade from this list. Different sections of the trading page show you different pieces of information. Front and center, we have the price chart. This shows how Bitcoin's price has changed over time. You can switch time frames like 1 minute, 1 hour, or 1 day, and add technical indicators for more specific chart analysis. Along the top, you can see the current price, 24-hour price change, high and low prices, and volume. These numbers update in real time. On the far right is your buy and sell panel. Here's how to place a spot trade. Select Limit if you want to set a specific price to buy or sell at. Choose Market if you want to buy or sell right away at the current market price. Enter how much Bitcoin you want to buy or sell. If you want, use the Stop Loss feature. This sets an automatic sell if the price drops too far. Finally, click Buy BTC or Sell BTC to confirm. On the right is the order book. Green numbers show people buying Bitcoin, and red numbers show people selling. Each entry lists how much Bitcoin is being bought or sold at a certain price. This helps you assess the market supply and demand. Just below that, you'll see Recent Trades. These are the most recent buy and sell transactions that happened in real time. It's a quick way to check what's currently going on in the market. At the bottom, you'll find your open orders, which shows any trades you've placed that haven't been completed yet. And under Trade History, you can see all the trades you've made so far. Over on the lower right, you have your wallet balances. This tells you how much USDT or BTC you have available to trade or withdraw. Whenever you buy or sell, these balances update automatically. Thank you for watching, and best of luck.